Warning, you have invaded the electronic realm of the master computer program. Prepare for the game grid of Tron.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems. You should be free from motion sickness or other conditions that could be aggravated by this experience. Expected users should not ride. Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned. The Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
New Team Blue members detected for the Lightcycle Run competition. Initiate Identity Disk Profile.
Recording video.
Initiate Lightcycle Run upload sequence. In 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to Tron Lightcycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. Piloting a specially modified Lightcycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are inside the far end portal, you must walk behind the Lightcycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may come off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebars. To Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue. Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
You have escaped Tron's game grid for now, users. But take heed. Next time you may not fare so well.